In Japan, they have their own AI model for copyright that says, yes, bring it in because we're learning, we're training. The community needs to learn so that the individuals are served as long as the individual rights are not hurt. Hey, I'm Declan Dunn, and this is the AI Optimist. So right now you can open an AI in Japan and take in any copyrightable content and don't feel like you're doing anything dangerous as long as your intention is to train and to learn. So in a way, that's the engineer's paradise. That's the scenario I see US engineers talking about. Keep it open, do not charge for copyrighted content. Though that's so wrong because they're already making deals with the New York Times. Maybe that's still going on, but other people like Axios have brought deals where technology and money were exchanged. Reddit had a deal with Google. All of this contributes to content and they're getting paid. So at a macro level, the bigger players are definitely working it out because they have the lawyers working this like crazy. And they're waiting till the end and all that's figured out before how that impacts us creators. But that's what I want you to help out with copyright in the US and elsewhere this year, because in the US, they're making a big finding about this time next year. This is the year to put your voice out. Do you think that just taking copyrighted content without permission is allowed? How can we set up permission when we need billions and billions of pictures and documents and text? But how do we also encourage that creativity to happen? Because one thing you see with Japan's models is, yes, we stand up for AI and its copyright to be able to use copyrighted materials to get smart. And yes, we stand up for people who own the IP, the content, the copyright, and we're smart enough to do this on a case-by-case basis and figure it out. And I think that's where the US is heading, just moving a little bit slower. And we're saying no, but we can't stop this thing. It's out of the station. So what's my takeaway on this? I don't want us to turn all Japan, but I'm sure keeping an eye on it. And a lot of what the engineers have said made sense to me. If you put these models out, they can get smarter. They can do things for us. And I don't mean the whole eliminate people routine. I mean doing things that aren't worthy of our time in one sense, but even more importantly, aren't things that allow us to do what we need to do in our jobs, in our careers, in our lives. Whew. Until next time.